So I've entered this trade inside the 950 to 1010 macro. I entered quite late, but it's fine. This is the first presented fair value gap from today, and I entered inside that. And we have a medium impact news at 10. Currently we are trading 10 points up, and now I believe that it should take this and this out. So now 1:1 is done. Look at that, 1:1 is done. So I would like to reduce the risk now. I have reduced it. Currently we are 15 points up from our entry, and within 1 minute we have that medium impact news. Yeah, at 10 we had medium impact, and look at that, look at that. So now risk is completely removed. I will be making 7 points minimum, I think. Yeah, yes. So this would be my TP right there. So currently we are 30 points up. That is the TP I am looking at, but we have taken this minor buy side at the 9:30 opening. We have taken that out, and again I am in a good position. This is my target, this is my stop loss, and but this is a positive stop out. Okay, if it will gonna take me out here, that will be a positive stop out, not a negative one. So as I told you guys, I love to be in this condition. This is a beautiful condition to be in, because now I am not risking anything. If it turns against me, it will give me at least minimum of 9 points. Okay, and this is my target. We went up to 30 points, and this is the 9:30 opening price. Look at that, that's the 9:30 opening price. Like within next 10 minutes it should take this out. That's the 8:30 opening. I feel like I should increase this. I increased it to 14 points now. it has done the work it has to do on the downside. We went below the midnight open price, we took out sell side inside 950 to 1010, we moved higher, and this would be a perfect entry, but I was late in front of charts, but that is fine. Still I will be making 14 points if my target doesn't get hit. Let's see, 6 more minutes to go for this macro 950 to 1010. Let's see if we can break this high. Currently it needs to break this. Okay, this is the CB, it is trying to trade inside, that is CB, and it is reacting from that because we had high impact at 8:30 today, and it needs to break above that, and that is not happening right now. It is trying to react from that CB. It is 26 points now, and it can come down. Let's check the 3-minute time frame. Okay, and 5-minute also, let me check. It is trying to react from that, but this down close candle should support the prices higher. Let's see if we can do that, or we will gonna take my positive stop out. It took me out here, that is fine, and if we measure this as the optimal trade entry, so this is the midpoint of that, and it can come down, touch this, so what we did, we entered here, we got stop out, that was a positive stop out of 14 points. Okay, our target was 55 points, but highest we went up to 36 points, and I'm not saying it can't go there now, it can, but it took me out, and that is fine. That was a positive stop out. I don't know it if they will gonna just bump it lower and lower, so it is pretty much important to manage your risk well. Okay, let's see now if it can break above this gap or it holds it and send it lower. This sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency right there. It is trying to stay inside, but let's see if we can completely break above this and close higher, or is it going to stay inside this and move lower? But it's Thursday late into the week and I have done a bit of scalp, and that is fine. Let's see, this didn't got break yet. We did not took out the pre-market liquidity, but we took out the high at 9:30. That was the minor buy side, and we went into this and then reacting. Look at that, bodies stayed outside of that CB, so that was the reason. So yes, it's 10:10 now. Let's see how they end this macro. But now I am not interested in pushing any buttons. It's done and dusted. That's the optimal trade entry levels for this leg. That's the mid, like, equilibrium midpoint of that leg. That's the 62% retracement level. So this area right here would be, it can come down there, hit that, and then it can move higher. But I think my internet, okay. So that was it, guys. I think that is enough for today.